What's up? I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to monitor multiple ChefsTemp devices with just one app. Whether you're using several ProTemp S1 units or a mix of S1 and ProTemp Plus devices, you can track everything in one place. Let's get started. Using multiple ProTemp S1s gives you complete control over your cooking environment. For example, you can place one S1 near the dome of your grill or close to the grate, another near the fire source, or one closer to the stack on larger smokers. As you may know, temperatures vary inside a smoker, and using several S1s allows you to monitor those differences so you know exactly what's happening in each zone of your grill or smoker. The ChefsTemp app lets you connect up to 3 devices, which means you can monitor up to 3 ProTemp S1s or a mix of ProTemp S1 and ProTemp Plus series devices, all at once. Here's how to add another device. Open the ChefsTemp app and tap the 3 dots in the top left corner. Select Add Device and start the pairing process just as you did with your first ProTemp S1. Begin by pairing the device via Bluetooth, and once that's complete, follow the prompts to connect it to Wi-Fi. When the Wi-Fi pairing is done, your new device will be fully connected. Once you've added your devices, monitoring them is super easy. To view each device, simply swipe left on the app's main screen. This lets you toggle between devices, allowing you to monitor up to 8 probes and 2 Breezo Fans simultaneously. Now, you can have complete oversight of multiple grills or smokers, all from one app. And that's how you monitor multiple ChefsTemp devices with the app. For more on ChefsTemp products, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. And remember, the ProTemp S1 makes it easy to smarten your grill in a snap.